Have you ever noticed that your jaw hurts when you wake up in the morning? Today I will be discussing a most common dental problem nowadays affecting the most of the individuals. That is called the teeth grinding habit or the clenching of the teeth or the bruxism in our dentistry. So it is often occurs during the night time, but it may occurs in the daytime also. In the night time, we will discussing about the sleep bruxism. When we are in the unconscious state, we grind our teeth. Knowingly or unknowingly, when we grinding our teeth, we are applying so much pressure on the teeth. So when individual will come to know only this problem when the complication of this disease develops.